So how do we connect our MacBook here, as you can see, to our AOC monitor? Well, this is how I did it. So basically I had to have one of those right here. This is, I think it's called a Think Plus here, like a USB-C hub, because it has this HDMI thing here that I can actually connect to, firstly via USB-C to my MacBook, but the other end here I can connect to my AOC monitor here, as you can see. So it goes right here. And also don't forget to insert the power cable if you haven't done so already, but I'm assuming that you have. And then what I had to do is very simple. I'm just gonna show you. I had to find this power button right here to be able to turn it on. And now once it's turned on, the only thing that I have seen is that you can see that it doesn't really display exactly what I have on my screen right here. So it doesn't really work perfectly, unfortunately. My laptop here works perfectly with it without any issues. My MacBook, I don't think this was made for MacBook, unfortunately. So yeah, if you're getting this one specifically for MacBook, I wouldn't recommend it personally, because I was not able to make it work completely. But yeah, basically that is how I was able to connect it, at least.